I'd like to welcome back to the stage Guru Rita Sharma and Sanchita Sharma Reddy. A unique aspect of Kathak is the tradition of Padan, the speaking of rhythmic syllables, bols, by the dancer before they are performed. The artist first narrates the composition with clarity and expression, and then translates it into movement alongside live musical accompaniment. This seamless interplay between narration, rhythm, percussion, and dance is a defining hallmark of Kathak, showcasing its deep connection to both storytelling and musical artistry. Our next presentation is one of Chautal. Chautal is a traditional 12-beat rhythmic cycle widely used in Hindustani classical music and Kathak, especially in the Dhrupad tradition. Its powerful and symmetrical structure is commonly expressed through the notation da, da, din, da, kita, da, din, da, tita, kata, gadigina. I hope you all paid attention, because Minnie may come back and quiz you. But do listen out for that notation during the next performance. Please welcome back to the stage Apana Menon, who will be accompanied by Mike, Shrika, and Rohan, as well as Guru Rita Sharma and Sanchita Sharma Reddy.
And the most challenging one. Now all of you here, you know me very well. The one thing I love the most is public speaking. The second thing I love the most is dancing. Now obviously, Kathak is the only art form that gives me a mic to speak to, and then a stage to go perform with a captive audience. So, here I am. As you've seen, there are different compositions that our legendary gurus have made. Now, one of the most interesting things is the kavits in Kathak. If you think of it, they're the original rap songs of India. Just listen to the attitude of the next one, which is describing the dance of Shiva and how the sound of the mridang is reverberating across the Kailash mountains. So let's try it out. When they perform, they do the whole padan and then the performance. But for people like me, I only do every other one so that I can catch some breath. But what you just saw are some of the todas. Todas are the smaller compositions that usually fall within the 12-beat tal cycle. It always ends on the first tal, which is called sam. In Kathak, everything is important. You have to come back and land on the sam, which is the most beautiful thing. In fact, I was watching a reel from the great Pandit Birju Maharaji who was saying, your sun is like your runway, right? You take off, you're flying, but you have to land somewhere. And your sun is the runway. It's always the home that you come back to. So you have to always come back to the sun, which is why when you listen to the tabla beats, you can note that first beat very clearly. The next one I'm going to present is called a Parmelu Toda. Parmelu because this Toda is composed using sounds from nature, right? The legendary gurus, they listen to the nature, they listen to the wind, the leaves murmuring, the birds chirping, and made Todas out of that. So you would hear sounds like kan, chen chen, cuckoo, theri, all of that represents the different sounds of nature. So let's listen to a beautiful Parmelu Toda. Hey.
chan, chan. Tari ke chanak chan drag drag thay. Ta thay, upu chana na 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 drag chana na na na. Ta cham ta, digi tha digi digi thay. Ta thay, digi tha digi digi thay. Ta thay, digi tha digi digi thay. Ta thay, ta tha, hin ta, hin ta,
Now we slowly graduate into Parans. You heard Thodas, and what does Paran mean? Now I remember our Guruji, Pandit Rajendra Ganganiji, teaching us that Paran is like a mountain, like a pahad. वो पहाड़ को तोड़ो, you get the Thodas. You break the mountain, you get the Thodas. The Thodas are like the rocks. But when you break the mountain, कुछ टुकड़े भी मिल जाते हैं. You get some pebbles. So the mountain, then the Thodas, and then the pebbles. That's how Guruji explains to us. So coming, a beautiful Paran. What I also love about this Paran is the dramatic pauses. You know, just like dance and any expression, you think it's over, but it's not really over. So watch out for those dramatic pauses, which I'm a huge fan of in this one. As you can see, the complexity keeps increasing, and as I'm losing my breath, you can clearly see that. But what I would like to present is also the fact that while it is art, there is also a lot of science and math behind it. If I could see a show of hands, how many engineers or math majors are here? Almost like 80% of the crowd would be engineering math majors. Yes. So what you just saw was Chakardar Thodas, which is the same phrase repeated 3 times. So the first one you saw was a Chakardar Thoda repeated 3 times, and then you saw a Chakardar Paran, the same phrase Repeat it 3 times. Now we're making things way more interesting. This is called a Farmaishi Chakardar Toda. What that means is, there is a phrase that gets repeated 3 times, but in the first phrase, there is an inner phrase. It's almost like a loop within a loop. And that loop has something like kiditha nitha nitha. And the first time you repeat that, or you say that, the first tha of the kiditha nitha nitha should fall on the sum. The second time you repeat it, the second tha of the kiditha nitha nitha should fall on the sum. And the third time you repeat it, obviously the last and the third and the final tha should fall on the sum because sum is a whole. So it gets very interesting as a complex math project. And just think, our legends thought of all of these and composed many such compositions in the past for us to learn and enjoy and perform. So with that, Farmaishi Chakardar Toda. Gadikine nagadite tagadite kiditaka kadite tana da tha tha da kidadite tana tana tha kadite tana da tha tha da kidadite tana tana tha kadite tana da tha tha da kidadite tana tana tha. 1 2 gadikine nagadite tagadite kiditaka kadite tana da tha tha da kidadite tana tana tha kadite tana da tha tha da kidadite tana tana tha kadite tana da tha tha da kidadite tana tana tha. 1 2 gadikine nagadite tagadite kiditaka kadite tana da tha tha da kidadite tana tana tha kadite tana da tha tha da kidadite tana tana tha kadite tana da tha tha da kidadite tana tana tha.
Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, 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 Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati, Tati, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati, Tati, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati, Tati, Tati Tita, Tati Tita, Tati, 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 Tati,
I'd like to invite Apana's father, Mr. R.B.K. Menon, to the stage. Mr. Menon will now felicitate the musicians. Starting first with Mr. Mike Lukshus. And now Shrika. And Rohan Misra.